What are you doing?
Like the floor.
Also wenn Sie wieder nach Wien kommen, dann wird es mich freuen, wenn Sie zu uns kommen. Hello, Polish audience. I'm Peter from Vienna, from the Schönbrunn Palace or concerts in the Schönbrunn Palace, which is the imperial palace of the emperors in Vienna. I'm here in Poland now to promote our concerts, which take place since 25 years in a wonderful location called the Orangerie of the Schönbrunn Palace. It's actually the place where Mozart and Salieri had their competition in 1786, and now we are playing there every day concerts for you. And in combination with the concerts, we can also offer evening tours through the palace after the official closing time. So this is probably a very interesting evening package for you to consider when you come and plan your next visit to our beautiful city of Vienna. Thank you very much for your patience to listen to all my words, and see you in Vienna soon. Thank you very much. So, das war nächstes Jahr im Herbst.